Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to. Today's lesson is all about the French verb which means to learn or to teach. By the end of this video, you'll know how to conjugate it and use it in practical, real-life situations. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the button and turn on the so you never miss a lesson. And don't forget to check the description below for the amazing prices to boost your studies even further. Let's get started. Is an irregular verb, but don't worry, it's one you'll use a lot. Let's go through its conjugation in the present tense. J'apprends, I learn. Tu apprends, you learn. Informal, il/elle/on apprend. He/she/one learns. Nous apprenons, we learn. Vous apprenez, you learn. Formal, plural. Ils/elles apprennent, they learn. Masculine, feminine. Take a look at the endings. Notice how they change. Now, let's see how to use these forms in practical examples. Here are some easy-to-learn examples using in everyday situations. 1. J'apprends le français, meaning, I'm learning French. Perfect for introducing yourself as a language learner. 2. Tu apprends à cuisiner, meaning, are you learning to cook? Great for chatting with a foodie friend. 3. Il apprend à jouer de la guitare, meaning, he is learning to play the guitar. Use this to talk about hobbies. 4. Nous apprenons beaucoup à l'école, meaning we learn a lot at school. Perfect for describing student life. 5. Vous apprenez vite, meaning you're learning fast. A great compliment for a fellow learner. 6. Elles apprennent à danser le tango, meaning they are learning to dance the tango. Fun for discussing new skills or activities. Can also mean to teach. Let's look at how j'apprends les mathématiques à ma sœur, meaning I'm teaching math to my sister. Elle apprend la musique aux enfants, meaning she is teaching music to the children. You can use to explain what you're teaching others. It's so versatile. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using in the comments below. I'll check and reply with feedback, and don't forget to check the description for to make your practice even easier and more fun. Before you go, make sure to our channel and hit the to get notified about our next lesson. If this video helped you, please it with your friends who are learning French. Merci beaucoup, and see you in the next lesson. À bientôt!